Participants, organizers and partners, ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to be here with you today, and it is my great honor to open the already traditional fourth hackathon entitled Green Hack with Open Data to a Green Future. We would like to see the greatest possible number of your solutions reach the end user, and I'm looking forward to seeing them myself, of course.
We at our agency, according to our needs, imagined that this challenge in a way to get ideas how to make data on waste understandable to general public.
We have several criteria. One is originality of the idea or innovation, content creativity, product perfection, visual display quality, use of open data, consideration of vulnerable groups,